So here,
Yeah.
as per Section 149, the Companies Act 2013 provides no body corporate has been. Why is that? They are asking the reason. That's just a 3 mark reason. This is asked in December 2013.
Uh,
Supreme Court was given reason to explain that why it is necessary to have an individual as a director and no body corporate as associate of person or body of individual. Means the relevant case in that reason, Oriental Metal Processing Works Private Limited and Thakur. So the Supreme Court said that office of director is an office of trust. Okay, so this word is important. Okay, and
mm,
there should be somebody readily and really available who can responsible with the trust seems to be broken. Okay, so it that involves skepticism means that sixth sense you be saying no, so no company will be having that one. Okay, no other person, only you have to that professional skill should be there and they have to attend it. So it is office of trust, so that is the word they said in this case law. Got it. So
okay.
if you have,
Yeah.
see, you are writing in final. If you have, remember the case will be very, very, very useful.
Very.
Okay, we getting
Okay.
scoring much marks. So try to. I'm having a list of case laws also. So I'll be giving that also. It will coming in about 10 pages. Just while if you are writing in December or whatever, maybe 1 month before start revising. We be finishing all the portions. Okay. So 1 month before, just start revising with the penalties, sections, and the case laws. Okay, so days, that
Okay.
number of days. Then now we have to understand the provision first. Then we have to practical. We have to work out with all the practical questions like this. Okay. After
Mm,
that, before 1 month of the exam, if you are writing in
mm,
December, whatever maybe 1 month, you have to what you have to do. No, you have to revise all those
Charts.
separately. I be chart and separately penalty list is there for with me. Penalties, days, number of days, what form, which forms, penalty amount, and days, number of years of imprisonment and everything, and that case loss. Okay.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
so 1 month before you just mug it up everything. Okay, all those
Okay.
limits and everything you can mug it up. So there, then and there, if you're having have habit of taking running notes, you can take it along. Okay, you just
Okay.
on small note, 1 page. If you're having one note for this,
Mm,
I just ask you to
mm,
put one note. You can write this case law, and if I remember, you can write it Supreme Court case law, this law case law, and you can write this director should be a
mm.
personal that you can quote this. If you quote this itself, they will give you full marks. 3 marks you can get it. Got it.
Okay.
Okay,
Got it.
that's the address should be real person and not artificial person, because it would be difficult to fix responsibility to breach of trust. See that office of trust and breach of trust. This word you should use. That's it.
Okay.
Okay. If these
Okay.
three, this, and this is there, they give you 3 marks. That's it. Okay.
Okay.
And the next question, said briefly with reference to the actually these questions are from your past question papers this year. Okay, that is a year
Okay.
noted.
Okay.
Okay, so
Okay.
state briefly with reference to the application provisions of Companies Act 2018, read with rules thereunder, whether an unlisted public company is a wholly owned subsidiary will be required to appoint independent directors, IDs. Okay.
Okay.
Can you take the chart and check it and tell for me? Another question, same thing. It is for 2 marks in June 2019. So who are IDs? IDs means who all should appoint ID, appointment of ID. We have read on that day, no? Appointment.
Yes.
Who
Yes.
all need to go
Appointment.
appoint ID? Yeah. That if you see the chart, then on that day we have listed and unlisted companies. Okay. So over here they what they are
Uh,
saying,
Unlisted.
whether unlisted public company which is
Public company.
wholly owned subsidiary company will be required to appoint. So unlisted public company is there, and which is wholly owned subsidiary company. Okay, whether it has to be appoint, how much IDs you need to appoint. That's a question over here. Got it. Same
Yeah.
like question we are having. Let me read this question also. Articles of
Okay.
Association AOA of Rajasthan Toy Private Limited provides that maximum number of directors in a company shall be 10
Okay.
presently. So this is not related. This answer is not available, so you have to answer this. This is a different question, so answer this question.
Okay.
State briefly whether the applicable provisions is applicable for IDs, unlisted public company means what are the
Uh,
minimum number,
the uh,
what's the minimum number.
minimum minimum number will be mm, three. One second.
come with 149. In
Yeah.
149, what they are saying, the third point, at least two IDs, unlisted public companies have 10 crores or more turnover, 100 crores or more,
Yeah.
outstanding 50 crores or more. Then,
Paid up
and
share capital 100 crore or more, and
yeah, and
turnover of
here,
300 crore or more.
here below, following class of unlisted companies should not be covered. The second point, what is the second point? Wholly owned subsidiaries. Over here it is wholly owned subsidiaries. So they need not have an ID. No need to appoint independent director. Got it?
Yes.
So
Yes, sir.
exemption, they are coming under exception. Who all are coming under
Yeah.
exception? You have to remember that. So because of this
Mm.
word, so because of
Mm.
wholly owned word, okay, unlisted,
No,
he's
no.
unlisted. But even though they are unlisted, which is wholly owned subsidiaries, then they need not come under this. Okay, so this you have to
Mm.
write this.
Right.
This
Okay.
provision fully you have to write it. As far as unlisted companies, at least two IDs has to be appointed for unlisted
Okay.
public company having turnover and like that sort. But there is an exception. You have to write it. For that, following the companies are not need not be have an ID. Who are they? Mean joint venture, wholly subsidiaries, and dominant. So here it is coming as a wholly subsidiary. So we need not appoint. No, there's no necessary to appoint an ID. That you have to write. Got it?
Yes. Madam,
Got it.
it is a subsidiary company, right? So the home company, the main company will have the independent directors. Should
Hmm.
we appoint
Hmm.
another directors for subsidiary companies also?
No, that
It's
subsidy, wholly owned subsidy means what is the meaning of wholly owned? You just know, and that is what you're
the
asking.
the the
Whole
100% is owned by the company.
company, okay, 100%, which
Yeah.
is wholly owned by own subsidy company means that will be managed by holding company.
Yeah.
Okay,
Holding.
holding company will have IDs and everything. So that
Yeah.
again for subsidy company, you need not appoint again one ID. That is the concept. Okay.
Oh, every subsidiary company should appoint one director, right?
Yeah, director ID is not here. Director is not a problem. Minimum two directors. Public limited companies minimum three directors should be there.
Hmm.
Okay,
Yes. Yes.
got it.
Yes.
Three directors as far
Got
as
it.
here. All the companies should have minimum three directors. Public companies. Okay,
Hmm.
so we are talking only about independent directors. See,
Okay.
other
Okay.
directors will be there. Okay, one resident director should
Hmm.
be there. Okay, if they are
Hmm.
crossing that limit, one woman director should be there. All together,
Yes.
all of the directors, they should have three directors. Out of these three directors, no one should be ID. That is a question over here.
Hmm.
Okay, so if
Okay.
that
Okay.
was that condition is fulfilled, what the condition, the 10 crores, 100 crores unlisted fulfill, if it is not a wholly subsidy, then out of these three directors, two directors should be ID. Got it?
Okay.
Independent
Yes.
directors. Okay, got it.
Yes. Okay.
So you have to see with what type of director should be appointed. Okay, minimum they
Okay.
should have a three
Okay.
director, and what type of director you should appoint. That's a question over here. Okay, when it
Okay.
comes to
Okay.
listed company, 1/3 of total directors. For example, you're having 10 directors. Okay, you're appointing
Minimum
10
four.
directors means
Uh,
minimum
four.
is three only, but 1/4, 1/3 should be independent directors. They should have a quality of independent directors. Okay, what are the quality means that this is a quality. 149 says no, they should not be a promoter, and they should not be a related person, and a related person should not hold this much holdings, everything. Okay, they have to
Okay.
fulfill that. They should be an independent director. Out of 10 directors, 1/3 means how much it's come. 10 by 3 means 9, and
Four.
9 means
Uh,
3.4. Point means it is 4. 4 directors should be IDs. Okay, when it
yeah.
comes to unlisted one, minimum out of how many directors you have, not a problem, but two directors should be IDs. Got it?
Yeah. Okay.
So ID
Got
should
it.
have a this qualities, this qualification.
Mhm.
Independent director should have a this qualification. Okay, got,
Okay.
that's a point. Okay, for what for IDs are appointed means, see, company can do frauds by appointing their own directors inside, keeping inside. Okay, so everywhere BOD is the main board of directors and administrative power. Okay, this
Hmm?
administration is running. So
Hmm.
if the company people is they're appointing their own directors, their own relatives and everything, then as it is public company, public money is involved, they're raising funds from the public, right? So they
Yes.
they may mislead it. So they are for that purpose, not dependent one. Independent means that not a promoter, not nowhere related to the company has to be appointed. Minimum numbers. Then only they can manage. Okay, so
Okay. Okay.
in all the places they have to take that special resolution and everything. So 75% of that has to be say yes. Then only that resolution will be passed. Got it. So, if, for example, if you are having 10 directors and you are a listed company means you are raising your fund from where? From public. Okay. So, listed company is there. So, 10 directors there. Out of this, if you have one third, there is 4 directors is there, SID. So, if you want to take some decision for that SR, so special resolution means 75% has to say yes. Okay, and for
Okay.
OR, ordinary resolution, 50% has to say yes. So the out of this 10 directors, 50% means how much will come? 50% means 5
It
directors will
was
come.
five directors.
So
Yes.
any one of ID should be there in every voting. Okay, and
Okay.
also
Okay.
75% means what will come? It will come nearly about
Seven,
how much?
eight, eight,
Eight will
eight.
come. So out of 8, this 4 will be there. Okay, they have to get permission from IDs for each resolution. Got it. So that
Okay.
will be outside
Yes.
person. This directors will be completely outside person. So because that involves public money.
Okay.
Got it. For that only we are appointing IDs.
Mm.
Understood. So this is the case.
Okay.
So here, if it is an in this case, it is an exception. Wholly, what are the three exception? Wholly owned subsidiary, joint ventures, and dormant companies. They are not no need to appoint IDs. Okay, even though if they are unlisted, but all listed company means no other go. When it comes to unlisted, only we have to check with. If there is listed now, then what happened? He has to appoint one third of total directors. Understood?
Mm.
Then we are
Yes.
going with next question. AOA of Rajasthan Toys Private Limited provide maximum number of directors in a company shall be 10. And presently the company is having 8 directors. And the board of directors said the company desire to increase the number of directors to 16. Advise the company whether the provision of Companies Act 13 board of directors do so. See, actually as per Act says for
Yeah.
it is a private limited company, two directors in enough. Okay,
Yeah.
and that for private limited company is 2 and maximum is 15. Okay, so the
Yeah.
articles can say what article
Yeah.
says 10. Okay, AOA is gas says same. So they have to adhere to AOA. Okay, so as AOA says 10, they can have they should have 10 directors. Okay, so now they are having only how many directors? 8 only they are having. They cannot
Yeah.
raise to 16 because 15 is the maximum limit. Got it. So that
Got
every
it.
company of board of directors shall have minimum of 3 directors in the public company and 2 directors in case of private company. So this is a private company, right? This is a private company.
Mm.
Okay, you have to so like this you have to write the provision. Okay, 149.1 that one director and the maximum of 50. So as per provision for 149 as the provisions of companies Act, you can like that. Not even subsection, no need. A company may appoint more than 15 directors by passing special resolution. Okay. For
Ma'am, I
yeah.
thought as per that the minimum is compulsory, the maximum is we can change in articles of association, right?
No article
Whether it is
that is a question over here whether article can change or what. But even though article changes, what Act says you cannot overrule. Act says if you appoint 15 above, no problem. You can appoint. You can even change the article, but do SR. They need only
okay,
SR.
okay,
Okay, do go for
okay.
SR, and appointment has to be made through special resolution only. After passing special resolution in general meeting, they can have more than 50, no problem. Article can also
Oh,
say no problem. So maximum number they are not restricting. You should not appoint. They are not saying. Act not saying you should not appoint. You can appoint, but go with the special resolution. Got it?
okay.
Okay,
If special resolution is there, we
you can
can
appoint.
appoint
Yeah,
as
yeah, you
many
can.
as directors we want.
That you can saw in the chart in the below. See, maximum can a company may appoint more than 15 by passing SR, right?
Okay, okay,
Okay, so if you are passing SR, they can appoint any numbers. The maximum limit is 15, and the minimum number of directors may vary depending upon the company and private one. The maximum number is 15. All 15. Got it?
but if minimum, if the articles of association says minimum
You
we can
cannot go
have
below
one
act.
or two.
No, you
Yes, yes.
cannot go below act. So act, what act says, you cannot go below, but you can have fix it above. Over here, act says 2, but you can fix it. You can fix 10. No problem.
Okay,
Okay.
yes.
So
Okay.
article AOA cannot overrule the act. Okay. But if you fix it minimum, you are overruling it. So if you fix it maximum, you're not overruling it. You are see, if you, the article says 10 directors, the act says 2 directors. Okay, so article doesn't say offend to law. Okay, they are not saying no, no, not one. If you're saying one only, that won't be applicable. Got it? So
Okay.
they can say
Yeah.
above 2. Article say, law says 2, but they can say above 2. Got
Yeah.
it? So
Simply,
it won't be
simply
overruling.
telling, simply
Yeah,
telling minimum is compulsory as per that. Maximum we can change by passing a special
yeah,
resolution.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah. You can
Yes.
have a 15, and after 15 you want to go, you can have a SR and you can go. No problem. Okay, article can
Okay.
fix
Okay.
anything. Okay, that's the matter over here
Okay.
that is discussed in next page. Okay, so
And
the given
ma'am,
case number, yeah,
is
yeah,
there
tell me.
any period for special resolution? Suppose they passed special resolution and appointed a maximum directors of 17 or 18. Is it a limit? Any time limit is there for that special resolution?
Yeah, yes, sir. We'll be seeing in the meeting.
Oh,
Meeting
okay.
chapter is there. Meeting, there's separate meeting,
Okay.
how to conduct a meeting, in how many days, how many days this SR will be valid. If you take a resolution,
Okay.
SR and OR, how many days it be
Okay.
valid. Okay, it depends on each and every appointment. So if you're taking SR for an appointment of directors, it is valid for 6 months, like that sort. Okay, that time
Okay. Okay.
limit is there. So that we'll be seeing in the meeting chapter. So we are seeing only the
Okay.
appointment directors chapter over here. Okay.
Okay. Okay, ma'am. Okay.
And here in this case, what they are saying, in this given case, you have to write like this only, then you'll be fetching good marks with this. You can even try for exemption. Okay, so the appointment is proposed to increase 6. The company is required to compile with alter articles AOA under section 14. So you have to, they are saying 10 rows, so you have to take it as 16, increase to 16, and authorize the maximum number of directors by means of special resolution of the member past duly convinced general meeting of the company. Got it? You have to
Okay.
go
Got it.
conduct a general meeting, pass a special resolution, and take it as 16, and you can appoint. That is the answer only. Got it?
Okay. Okay. Good.
Got it. Then
Yes.
examine the, see, just by reading provision, you're not able to understand. As while reading, you may think, oh, I understood this section, but not, that's
Yes.
not the
Yes.
case. You have to revise it for that only, and just coming and revising all the questions over here. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Examine the validity of following appointments, reference to provisions of Companies Act. Mr. Person, together with one of his relative, hold 3% of total voting power of XYZ Limited. Okay, so one person is there, that is Mr. Person. Okay, these are all questions from your question paper only. So Mr. Person is there, and together with one of his relative. One of his relative is holding, both of them are holding how many percentage? 3% of
3%.
voting power. Okay.
Yes.
The board of
Yes.
directors of a company appointed him as an ID. So we have seen one, you take the chart, and for that only I just asked you to keep the chart print. Okay, so in
Okay.
that
Okay.
qualification, who can be an ID? What they say, holding of securities either on his own or
Then
with their relatives. Okay, so point number
relatives.
5, yeah,
2%.
5A. So is none of who's holding, so you have to add it. He and his relative should not hold how many? 2%.
Uh, 2% or a fee not exceeding 50 lakhs.
Yeah, 50 lakhs. Okay, so
Yeah.
fair value not exceeding 50 lakhs or 2% of the paid up share capital. Okay,
Yes.
so it holds subsidiaries, associates. See, this holding is not only in the same company, even if you're holding in this holding company or subsidiary company or associate company. This condition
Yeah.
also we can read here. So if they're giving,
Okay.
we not only in XYZ, they want one more company is there. Assume one more question in this. Okay, see, XY is the only company they are saying it over here. I'm saying one more company is there, ABC. Okay, ABC Limited.
Okay.
So this company is a holding company. Okay,
Okay.
okay, this company is a subsidiary company. Subsidiary
Okay.
holding means this XYZ Limited is holding 50% shares in ABC Limited. Got it. That is
Okay.
subsidiary and holding. Okay, so this XY Limited is holding 50% above in this ABC Limited. So ABC and XY become holding and subsidiary. Okay, over here,
Okay.
Mr. Person and his relative hold 3% of total voting power, not only in XYZ, they are saying even in ABC. So what will happen? They are, even though they are not holding in XYZ, they are holding in ABC Limited, then that will also the same provision applies.
Okay. Okay.
Understood. Understood. So
Yes, understood.
XYZ Limited is there, ABC Limited is there, and even associate, not even holding. Associate means 25% of share capital. Okay, there are two concepts. It's just in the beginning, I've just gone with the basics. No, that time we are type of companies we read. Okay, in that
Yes, yes.
a holding company means 50% holdings. Okay, 50% of
Yeah.
share is held, and associate company means 25% of the share is held. So any
If,
company having 25% or 50% and above, then what will happen? If that person or their relative holds 2% of that holding, all total all together, then nobody can be appointed as an ID. Got it?
okay. Yes,
Okay,
yes.
got it. If even
Got it.
appointed, that is not valid. They are already appointed means that is not valid as per section 149 and
Okay.
149.6. As per
Okay.
149.6, you have to write. Got it?
Okay.
And
Got it. Yeah.
resident director, write a short note on resident director. That's the question is. So you can write resident director who was okay. So he has to
Yeah.
stay in India for 182
180
days.
days.
Mm.
Yeah.
Then each company should have a so this applies to every company, not private, public, listed, unlisted, like that
Mm,
sort. So to
mm,
every company. Okay, so it's
yeah.
every company, that is important. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
And
Okay.
requires a company to at least one director who stays in there for 90 days, and matter to examine that residency would be from 1st April and
Yeah.
compile with these provisions. Okay, so
Yes. Yes.
actually this was introduced in as per AFET circular was it given on 26/14. So that June 26th, what happened? No, they have that special in that year they specially bought this. Only that this question is in from 2016. So only this confusion. So basically, resident director means what to say that content, no, in the chart you are having that you have to write. That's
Yes.
it.
Okay.
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 Okay. What are the mode in which director of a company can be appointed? So as per 152, see first director told while starting and
Promoter.
incorporating a
Yes.
company, so minimum
Yeah.
directors must be appointed. Who be appointing? The promoters. Okay.
From promoters. Yes.
Yeah, through MOA through MOA they be appointing
Appointing the director.
directors, first directors. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
And um, one second. So where the company has no article or article is silent regarding appointment director, subscribe to memorandum where who was individual shall be deemed. See, first there is no director mentioned in the MOA. What will happen? No mentioned
No.
directors in MOA. All subscribe will be directors. All subscriber
Mm.
to memorandum. This is members. All members will be directors. Okay.
Oh. Okay.
if
Okay.
if there is no mention that these are the directors, they are no mentioned in MOA while incorporating, first directors are not appointed in MOA, then automatically appointment will happen as per act, and who all subscribe to memorandum, that is who all member to the memorandum will be called as a directors. Got it?
Okay. Got it.
They are first directors. And general provision, appointment of general meeting, they be appointing the director only in the general meeting. Who's holding a din? They should have a din, right? Okay, and
Yes.
we treat it as identification number to act upon, and they should have a declaration. Every person who is you have to apply for a din, and you have to get the din, and you have to intimate the company has to intimate the person getting the din has to intimate the company, and the company has to intimate the din to the registrar within 50 days. All procedures there. Okay, so over here declaration has to be filed and consent should be there. A person appointed as shall honor before the appointment and give his consent to hold of office. In the physical form, it is there too. Okay. So
Okay.
this I've
Okay.
seen then and there. They just combine all the provision and given the just a general provision. Okay, so we have not seen the retirement rotation. We be seeing that. Okay, retirement rotation
Okay.
means independent directors we won't be getting retired. All of the directors will be getting retired. So retirement we be seeing. Okay, and
Okay.
appointment by the board. See, casual vacancies. We are talking about casual vacancy on that day. Remember? So
Yes,
there are
yes,
three
yes.
type of four type of appointments. One is first directors. So second one is general appointment of directors in general meeting. Okay, by getting dean and everything. Okay. Third one is
Okay.
they be rotating, and rotating reappointment is there. We'll be discussing that. Okay. Fourth one is
Okay.
appointment of board of directors. BOD itself will appoint. Okay. So additional director. Who is additional director means, see, in one BOD is there, one company is there, one BOD is there. Okay. What happened? No, they are having much work. They are not able to carry with two directors. Okay, so they
Okay.
are not able to carry that in that particular year. They are not able to carry the with the two directors. So they are planning to have a third director. Okay, so that third directors board itself can appoint just to share the work. Okay, and that person be called as additional directors. Okay,
Okay.
we who are appointed. One sec, hold on. Bob, Bob, is a call ma. போய் கேட்ல வாங்கிடு. இந்த கேஷ் எடுக்கணும். ஆசம் டு வெயிட் ஆல் திஸ் நீ அலோவ் பண்ணுவாங்கன்னு கேளு. முருகன் கிட்ட கேளு. So additional directors can be hold office up to the date of the next AGM. Okay, they cannot be
Okay.
appointed years together. Okay, if the 1 year only they can appoint. So for example,
Oh.
if they are appointed say in between, so on 1/4/2021 they are appointing, then AGM is conducting on next within every 15 months AGM will be conducted, right? So when AGM conduct that AGM, in that AGM, these additional directors will be checked with by members. Okay,
Okay.
if they are they be reappointed, but this additional director validity will be until AGM only. Okay, so directors can appoint additional directors, means one more director for their doing work and everything they can appoint, but that will be valid for until next AGM only. That will be valid. Got it?
Oh. Okay.
Understood.
Okay.
Understood
Oh,
regarding
understood.
additional director. So this was called as additional director. Someone they, then and there they be asking who can appoint additional director. Additional can be appointed by the board of director itself by board meeting. As like normal resolution, no, they be passing normal resolution and they be appointing, and they be till what time they are valid, till next AGM. Today I am just appointing. No, next AGM comes. No, I be retiring. I won't be in the place of director. Okay, so until that only the board can appoint. Got it?
Okay. Got it.
Any
Got it.
doubts? Any doubts?
No.
No. So casual
No. No.
vacancy, I told you, where all there and then and there we used to say casual vacancy, casual vacancy. Casual vacancy means casual vacancy means one office is vacating because of the resignation, like that sort. Okay, death,
Okay.
resignation, like that sort. That is casual vacancy. They has to be filled with because they are having work to carry over, right? So it is vacating.
Yes.
No, then that place will be cannot be managed. So that is casual
Mm.
vacancy. The person appointed will hold office not until the next annual general meeting, but for the entire period for which the person whose place has been appointed that be held office. So if I'm there, I'm a director, okay, and I just resigned it. Resignation, we have seen resignation, right? I'm just giving notice and I'm just resigning it. Okay.
Yes.
So
Yes.
my remaining period of is nearly about 2 years, 3 years means, then they can appoint for that period, for that remaining whoever retires. In the place of retiring, you are appointing somebody means their term period is there. No, until that I can be in the office. Got it?
Okay.
Understood.
Got it. Yeah.
Then
Yes.
alternative director. Alternative director is something different. So he can be appointed only on place of original director. See, original director will be there. Okay. So I'm here. I'm not able to act upon. So what will happen? The board of directors may appoint in my place one more person until I return. Okay. For this one category is there minimum 3 months. I should not be in India. I should go out of India. Got it?
Mm.
So then only
Got
I
it.
can appoint one person in my place, alternative directors. Okay, got it. So that he cannot hold office for a period longer than that permissible to the original director in whose place he has appointed, and he must vacate the office and return of original director. If I am returning, then you have to vacate. Okay, got it.
Okay. Yeah. Got
Appointment,
it.
but see,
Okay.
appointment by third party. Third party means nominee directors. You should have heard. So if some financial institutions or foreign collaborators, FFIs are there, they be investing huge amount in the company. Okay, so they just want to place their representation one person in the board. Okay, for that person, for that purpose, they be appointing nominee directors. Understood. So financial
Okay.
institutions
Okay.
there, major of above 60-70% of the fund is financed by that that banking institution. Then they want to place a director in the board. Then they be appointing this nominee directors. Got it.
Got it.
Appointed
Yeah.
by third parties like financial institution, foreign collaborators, okay, holding companies and bank,
Yeah.
other lenders, okay, etc. Okay.
Okay.
So they nominate a director to represent their interest on the board. Okay, so they cannot make decision, they cannot vote. Be seeing in the voting part, okay, meeting and voting part only for their interest. If their interest is affected, they be given with voting. Okay, so that all voting
Okay.
and everything we be discussing in meeting. So I have to finish the 3 chapters fully, then only you get a full picture. Okay, what's
Okay.
going on.
Okay.
Okay, so as of
Okay.
now, we just grab what I'm saying and try to grab it in the right sense. If you have any doubts, you can query me. Okay,
Okay.
so
Okay.
these are the 5 types of appointment. First is first director. Okay, by MOA. If MOA is not appointed with the first director, who all subscriber of MOA can be a director.
All the members will
All
be.
are
Yeah.
all members are directors. And second one is
Yes.
normal one. You can apply for a DIN. And if you are applying for a DIN and you're called for and you are giving assent or acceptance, okay, I'm just acting, you can
Okay.
file letter too, and you can join as a director. As normal scenarios. Okay. Retire by rotation, we be discussing, because I have to give that all those I have to finish all those directors and I'll tell you retire.
Okay.
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 Appointment by the board of directors, who can casual vacancy appoint additional director, alternative director. These 3 directors can be appointed by the board, and nominee director will be appointed by the third parties. Got it?
Got it. Yeah. Yes,
Got
ma'am.
it. So this question is regarding women directors. Okay, who all should be
Okay.
appointed to the women directors? Okay, that already provision we have read. Okay,
Yes.
so
Yes.
100 crores and 300 crores turnover and everything.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
then vacancy. If it was vacant, it has to be filled in within 3 months or
Mhm.
board meeting, whichever is later. Okay.
Okay.
And
Okay.
Divine Industry Private Limited has a turnover of 350 crores during the financial year. The banker of the company was advised to the company to compulsory appoint a woman director. Okay, this is a practical question, so we'll just check it out. When to appoint a woman director? So they're having 350 crores financial year, 14-15. Okay, so and
Yeah.
the banker has advised the company to compulsory appoint a woman director in the company as required. And referring to provision, examine the banker's voice. Is that true or what? 300 crores, no? Turnover.
Yes.
What's the limit?
Yes. Yes.
So 300 crores is
300
coming.
crores.
Yeah, here
Yeah.
crosses that 300 crores. So they have to
Yeah. At least.
appoint.
At
Yeah,
least
public.
appoint one
Yeah,
director
it is a
and
private.
woman number.
Yeah, everything's right. But over here, one wording is there. What is it? You have missed
Private
it.
limited. Private limited.
Yeah,
Yeah.
is it private
Real
limited
estate
applicable?
company.
Woman
Uh,
director is applicable to private limited? No, it is
Director.
applicable only
No.
to,
No.
yeah. So you have to
Public
look into
limited and
that. But
every
listed
listed company and
listed
other public
company is
companies.
compulsory. Other listed
Other.
unlisted public companies only. Private limited, no need. Okay, you
Yeah.
have to look into it. First instance, you should not decide. Okay, so they won't be telling it's a private limited company, it is not a private limited company, it's a public limited company, like that. So they won't be selling. Only they be selling
Okay.
listed and listed, but in the name itself they be giving it. So check out the names. Okay, once you go with,
Okay.
just go, don't read divine. Okay, and just don't skip off. Okay, you have to
Okay.
go with this word. So because of it is a private limited company, you have to, you see, if you write because it is a private company, it is a woman director is not applicable. If you're writing, they won't give you 4 marks fully. Okay, so you have to write
Oh.
the provision.
Okay.
Got
Okay.
it? So you have to write the provision. Okay, so write the section. Okay, and then
Mm.
just for every public limited company and any other public list, every listed company, any other public listed company, you just write that this one. Okay, so
Ma'am, one question.
yeah,
It's 4 marks question. If we write the provision, it will take minimum 10 minutes, right? 10 to 15
yeah,
minutes.
yeah.
Is it
But you have to.
is it
Hmm.
possible to write all the provisions for all the questions in
Yeah,
within 3 hours?
Yeah, this difficult. You have to practice. For that only, I'm just telling. Practice, practice, practice. All provisions means
Okay.
that only this part they are writing. No, whether it is
Okay.
the only that limit and everything. Okay, so that
Mhm.
only one part you have writing, but writing of provision is a must.
Okay.
Hmm. Then we will be getting marks. Even it is 4 marks. With the
Mm.
company in company law, the paper will be too lengthy only. You cannot able to finish in 3 hours. I'm damn sure. But even
Okay.
if you're going and writing, see, keep writing in your home. That's the previously. I just want to say that. As far as if you're having practice of writing only, and also you should scan and you can upload. Okay, that is also option is there. Okay, so
Okay.
you have to decide before itself whether you're going to write it or whether you are going to type it. Okay, previously decides
Okay.
accordingly only
Okay.
you have to go with. Okay, so you may
Okay.
have a time on MCQs, so revise. You should be
Mm.
very clear with the MCQ provisions and everything. Okay, so
Okay.
if you are able to grab with the MCQ quite means you can finish your MCQ so soon, then you'll be getting
Okay.
time. Okay, so if
Mm.
you're not, you're stucking with MCQ itself, you're just thinking whether it is that or this. If you have a confusion,
Okay.
then you will get stuck
Okay.
with the question marks and everything. Got it?
Okay. Got it.
So writing provision is a must, no other go. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
And the validity of following representation one sec. So exam validity of about the board meeting of MNP Limited on EHA, our woman director in the board meeting held on 10th September. The said appointment was filled in vacancy of whichever is later, no, that provision is coming. Okay,
Okay.
so when casual vacancy, it's a casual vacancy. When you one woman director is vacating his office, it's a casual vacancy. That casual vacancy has to be filled in next
In next 3 months.
board
Three
meeting
months
or
or 3
whichever is
months.
later. That is applying.
Yeah.
Okay, you just go through with this. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
and so same thing is there in this question also. Okay, and the SK Limited company having incorporated in a Companies Act and intermediate vacancy of women directors 15. Same thing. This is a repeated question actually. Okay. So
Okay.
unlimited
Okay.
public company paid up capital 2 crores and the minimum number of independent IDs. That is, let me check this. Okay. XY Limited is unlisted public company. Unlisted public company should have minimum of 2 directors IDs. Right.
Yes. Yes. Oh,
ID. So
independent director.
unlisted. Yeah, unlisted one. Listed one, you should have 1/3. But unlisted means only two is there. But they be giving you all those details and everything. So you have to check with on 20 crores or above. So whether there is a this limit has come up, that you check. For unlisted only, you have to check the limit. Okay. For listed, you need
Okay.
not check the
Okay.
limit. Right. So
Mm.
for unlisted checks,
Yes.
you check the limit and tell me whether it is at least coming in or not. So PSC, what is
Mm.
PSC? 20 crores. Okay. And
Okay.
what is turnover? 150
100
crores.
crores.
So it
Uh,
is both are coming. Okay.
okay.
Okay. The total number of directors 13. That is no need. Because only listed 1/3. This is permanent 2. State minimum number of independent directors for that company should be appointed. Minimum is 2. Understood?
Okay. Yes.
Can you
Yes.
follow?
No. No. No.
Just
Good,
read the
madam.
question again. Just read the question. Just
Okay.
don't panic. Read the
Yes.
question first.
Yes.
In which 1 minute I just set it off. In which particular section will be applicable? Just go with it.
Okay.
Just say that. questions will be confused like this only. So you have to be very clear. Okay. So it
Okay.
is
Okay.
unlisted company. Unlisted company means you have to apply the that limits. Okay. So
Limits.
it is above
PS
limit.
is
Yeah.
yeah.
This is above
PSC is
limit.
10 crores. Turnover is 100 crores
Yeah, this
minimum.
above limit.
Yeah.
So what happened? As this is above limit, we how many directors has to be appointed? Minimum two directors should be ID. So it state the minimum
Yeah.
number of independent directors for that company should appoint. So as it is unlisted company and in this public PSC paid up share capital is above 10 crores and the turnover is above 100 crores, they have to appoint two directors as independent
Yeah.
directors. Okay. Again,
Yes.
next question
Okay.
they are asking how many independent directors has to be appointed in case X, Y,
One third.
Z. One third. So
Yeah.
total number is 13. So one third you have to calculate and you have to apply. Got it?
Five minimum five. Yeah.
Minimum 5. Welcome, Revati. We are discussing the questions on. Actually, I just recorded for you. Don't worry, just in that also. We are discussing the questions. Okay.
Yeah, okay, ma'am.
Mm, just
Theory was completed, ma'am.
theory was. I'm not taking theory today. Just discussing the questions only.
Okay, only okay.
Yeah, that in the practical manual, no, I just sent you. Just give a card in that one. That one I'm just discussing. Okay, I'm
Okay.
appointment and qualification directors chapter. I'm just going with. Okay, the composition of board of directors of listed company as on 31/3/2017 companies director and Mr. A, Mr. B, Mr. C, Mr. D, and Mr. E independent. One E is there, okay, and two E is there. Three E is I is there. ID three IDs are there in this. Okay, and Mr. E and Mr. vacate their office on directorship 15/3/2017. You are examined with reference to provisions of Act, what action of course are just taken by the company in this regards. So it is listed company. Got it?
Yeah.
It is a listed company. How many directors there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 directors are there, right? 7.
Yes.
Out of 7 directors, if it is listed company, how many ID should be there?
One by third.
1 by 3
One
means how
third.
much?
One by third
This
is
3 directors should be ID.
three. Three. Yeah.
Yeah. So who are 3 directors over here? E, F, and G. Okay.
Yes.
E, F, and G are there.
Yeah.
Okay. So
Yeah.
here E is vacating. Okay.
Mhm.
Mrs. E is vacating.
Okay.
So who all vacating the office on
D and
53?
Mr.
One.
E.
Yeah. D is not an ID.
And
So not an issue.
yeah.
Okay. So
E
E
is
is an
independent.
ID. So
Yeah.
if we vacating, what will happen? Total number will be 6.
Yes.
Got it. So one third means it will be 2.
2 members.
So already F and G are there. So no need.
Yeah. No need. Yeah. Okay.
Got it. That's it.
Yes.
That's a question solved. Okay. Then you have to write the provision and you have to explain. That's in the present case and everything. That's explained over here. The one third round of two complies minimum 2 independents in the board. However, will have fulfilled the vacancy earliest but not later than. Is there any question again? They're saying one third. Examine taken up into the A, B, C, D, and Mrs. E. Mrs. E and Mr. F and G. Okay. Oh, here they are talking about independent directors. And also one more question we left out. ID we checked with, but we are not checked with 149. Right. One woman, as it is a listed
Yeah.
company, no? One woman director should be there, no? Mrs. E is a
Oh,
one
okay.
Yes,
woman
ma'am.
director. Okay, so that they have not followed. So that which is it's a casual vacancy that has to be filled in. Okay, so you have to check. They are not asking you to whether to check ID or woman and everything. So you have to check everything and you have to answer. Got it?
Okay. Got it, ma'am.
Then on exam of validity with reference to provisions of Companies Act, ABC Limited listed company and 5,000 small share capital, small shareholders will be discussing. We are not completed with that. Okay. And a company was served a notice of appointment small shareholders. These are all about small shareholders. Okay, and there's n number of questions regarding small shareholders also. Okay, woman director. This is about woman director. Okay, nominee directors and woman directors. So one sec, we'll just discuss one question and this we'll go do some provisions also. By rotation, it's okay. So this will be have to complete remaining portions in directorship. Then only we can take it. Okay, shall we go move with the
Okay.
provision?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
One sec. On that day we are seeing this one. So what are the qualifications, okay, to become an id? So who can be appointed as an id, that is said in this. Okay, have you gone through? I just asked you to go on through in the home, no? Have you gone through? This is very important one, important part. It will be little confusing also. Okay, so over here, section 1, who can be an id independent director means they should not have a they should not be a promoter, and not related to promoter or director, and no peculiar relationship, as like during how many years? During 2 preceding years, they should not have 10% of total income. His income will be there, no? That it should not come from apart from salary. Okay. That income apart from salary, 10%, more than about 10% should not come from that company or its subsidiaries, holding, associate. Okay. Got it. So with the company is holding, subsidiary, or associate, a promoter or director. Associate or promoter director, they should not have. Got it. They should, that income should not come above 10%. Total of income above 10%, he or she should not derive. One id should not derive from the holding companies, subsidiary companies, associate companies, or promoters or director for immediate preceding 2 years, 2 financial years. Got it. Next is
Okay.
his relatives, his holding. It's that's income part is 10% only for him. Okay, only for who is appointed. Okay, as id. That other categories, relatives means holding any securities or interest in its holding, subsidiary, associate. The three things covered, as we are discussing one question, right? Vinay, in that
Yes. Yes. Yeah.
holding subsidiary, associate, they should not be
Yes.
hold how many percentage? 2% of paid
50.
capital, and their
Okay.
fair value should not exceed 50 lakhs. Fair value of that shares should not exceed 50 lakhs or 2%.
Okay.
Okay, then in this is the first point, and is in debt to the company is holding. In debt means when you're purchasing on credit, so the company has to pay the he has to pay to the company some amount. Okay, because of any transaction and anything. So in debt to the company, either him or his relative. Total, it is you have to take care to see. I'm there. I'm supposed to appoint as an id. Then if my relatives and whole have to pay something, my wife or relatives, that is defined. Okay, so the my wife or my husband or somebody wants to pay to that company. Okay, that's payable is there, in debt is there. Then in debt, that in debt amount may be in excess of such amount as may be prescribed in last 2 years. Okay, that guarantee amount, that and also guarantee should not be there. Okay, and that gross 2% of gross turnover. Got it. So this in debt amount, they be then and there they be revising. Okay, in debt amount was in debt amount. Okay, so he has given a guarantee. With this first step is indent directly owing, but its second step is he's giving guarantee security on third person. Okay, and to the directors, holders, directors, and everything for 50 lakhs. Okay, during the financial year or current year. Okay, yeah, this has to see both. Current year has to be seen. This over here, current year has not been seen. Okay, only financial year has been seen. But over here, you have to see current year also. Indebtedness, this
Okay.
payables, the directors or directors relatives together has to pay to the company, like that sort. Okay, then this is 50 lakhs. So the holding interest and everything is 50 lakhs or 2%. This in debt and also the guarantee is 50 lakhs over here. Go, okay. All together you have to total it. Okay, whatever is payable. Okay, that still has to be payable. It got over means no problem. See, I have bought something from them on credit. I just paid. Okay, paid them. So see, for example, if you are using your Geo, this one case law is there. I'm just discussing that case law. So if I am using my Geo mobile, I've got a credit and I need to payable means that won't be considered over here. These normal scenarios. Now it is not only given to me; it is given to everyone. Okay, that one facility, one credit is given to everyone means that consideration will be coming here. Specifically, they should have given loan or something like that to me or my relative. Okay, so specific transaction should be there, specific contract should be there. It should not be a general contract. For example, if I'm going to buy in a Geo, something, and they are availing, I'm just putting on loan and everything, then that doesn't matter over here. Got it. There should be a specific contract. Okay, so that the case law we will be discussing in that question bank. Okay, so that relative, me and my relative all together should not create any payable more than 50 lakhs in this current year and also in the past 2 years. Okay, and also I should not give, me or my relative together, we should not give guarantee for any loans for other third parties either in the last 2 years or in the current year above 50 lakhs. If that was the case, I will not be eligible to appoint as an ID. That's B point. Got it?
Okay. Yeah.
Got it. D point is he has any other peculiar transaction or relation with the company or subsidiary or holding amounting to 2% of more of. See, for example, you and me having a partnership. Okay, so I just want to appoint as a ID in that company, one company. That from that company that you have the partnership company has taken contract. Okay, if I supply him something like that sort. Okay, so 2% of his gross turnover. The company turnover is 100 lakhs. Okay, 2% means how much? 2% means how much? 2 lakhs, right? 2 lakhs, right?
Okay.
So
Oh, yes,
if
yes.
your contract is above 2 lakhs, then I cannot be appointed. You don't understand, huh? I just tell you one story. See, company is there. Okay, XYZ Limited company is there. Okay, then I need to appoint a director. I am an ID or I am supposed to act as an ID. Okay, okay. Then for example, Mr. A. Okay, so Mr. A and Mr. B are partners. Okay, partnership company is there. So this company is giving contract to this one. Okay, so contract for 2 lakh rupees. Okay, this company's turnover, gross turnover is 100 lakhs. Okay, this is 2% only. In this, you are a partner. Got it? Understood,
Okay.
Revati? You are a partner. Okay. So this you are a partner, and this company is giving a contract of supply of goods for 2 lakhs means that not a problem. But the company gives supply of 10 lakhs means then you cannot be an ID. Am I right? Understood.
Understood.
Understood. This is the third scenarios. So try to grab all the scenarios of ID. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Try to grab all scenarios ID. Just check it out whether you understood or what.
Okay.
2 minutes. Hello. Mm. Oh. Okay. Okay. ம் சரி இப்போ எவ்வளோ அமௌண்ட் வாங்குனீங்க ம் ஓகே ஓகே நான் பண்ணி விடுறேன் இப்போ ம் ஓகே இதே நம்பரா ஓகே ஓகே ஆ ஆ ஓகே சரி ஓகே ஓகே அனுப்பிச்சிடுங்க நான் இப்போ ஆன்லைன் கிளாஸில் இருக்கேன் ஒரு 1/2 அன் ஹவர் ஆகும் ஓகேங்க ஆ Okay. Come on, spell out all the provisions, please. First, ID. First provision. Now, start with number 4.
Hmm. Listed public company, at least 1/3 of total number of directors as independent directors.
Then, no.
Facts.
First, fourth point is no peculiar relationship means then such director or
Okay.
having transaction not exceeding 10% of total income. I'm there, I need to appoint as an ID means I should not have total out of total income. I should not have 10% income from either its company or its holding or subsidy or its associate or from promoters or directors immediately during the previous years. That's the first calculation. Second calculation is none of my relatives. Relatives means A point. Just discuss. Tell me the A point.
Is holding any security of or interest in company, its holding subsidiary or associate company during two immediately preceding financial year
Hmm.
or
Holdings or
during
interest.
current.
Yeah, you're during current financial year. Yes, this income is only for the financial year. That is also for current financial year also. Okay, for this
Okay.
extra thing, both for current and the preceding financial years.
Oh, yeah. And provided that relative may hold security of or interest in company of fair value not exceeding 50 lakhs rupees or 2% of paid up capital.
Hmm. Okay, next one.
Okay. Uh, Point number B is indebted to company, its holding subsidiary or associate company or their promoters or directors in excess of such amount as may be prescribed
Such amount
during
is
two
50 lakhs
immediately.
actually. This all
Yeah,
together is 50 lakhs only. Hmm.
yeah, during two immediately preceding financial year or current financial year.
Financial year, current financial year. So you understood, no, that payable should not be
Yes.
there. Okay, so payable
Yeah,
should be not be created above that limit. Okay,
yeah.
got it. And
And
even you
yeah,
cannot give guarantee also. The next point is
yeah,
guarantee. Okay, guarantee to
yeah.
third person. Same, 50 lakhs. That is B point. D is then you should have
These has
any peculiar relationships
merit asset.
amounting
Oh,
about 2% or more in the gross turnover or total income, singly or
oh,
combined with a transaction. Not even one transaction is not there. Even if you're having one contract or more than one contract together, also
mhm.
we can see that if it does not exceed 2%.
Okay. Yes. Okay.
Okay, got it.
Got it. Yeah.
Then declaration by ID. So if you have not disqualified from any of these 149.6, then you can go with 147, 149.7 declaration that the meets criteria of independence. He has to give. If I'm ID means I have to give a declaration that I am not disqualified under section 149.6. Okay, so I have to give that, and the first board meeting in which he participate, and thereafter first board meeting in every financial year or whenever changes the circumstances. So on all the board meetings, he had to say, just I'm not disqualified, and he has to check with. If I am ID means I only responsible to check that. Got it.
Okay.
And
Got it. Yeah.
company and independent directors shall be abid by provisions in the schedule. See, specifically, schedule 4 is given. Okay, one schedule, what all has to be IDs, what all IDs responsible, what all has to be taken. So that has code of conduct is there. Okay, that code of conduct is specifically only for IDs there. They have to follow that. Got it. And
Okay.
149.9, it is remuneration of ID. Remuneration of ID means not enabled to stock option. So employee stock option will be given, no? Like that's what here ID won't be an employee. Okay. And ID won't be an employee and he will not be entitled to any stock option scheme and everything. Okay. And remuneration by way of fee. They can get remuneration fee from 197 means sitting fees and that will be getting. Okay. Reimbursement expenses, sitting fee. You know what you mean sitting fees? No, directly will be collecting sitting fees when they are attending the meeting and everything. Okay, and like that's what they can collect fees. Okay, and reimbursement expenses, whatever expenses they are meeting out of the board meetings and everything, that they can get it. And also profit related commission. Profit, if they're making turnover, this much turnover and this much profit will be given with this much commission. Like they said, only related to profit they can get it. Then approved, that
Okay.
also has to be approved in AGM. Okay, member has to approve in annual general meeting. Got it?
Okay. Okay.
That's the case. Okay. This is remuneration of ID. Okay. This is 149.9. Okay. And section 149.10 is tender. How many years he can appoint? See, one person is for appointing as an ID means he can hold office for next 5 years. Okay. And eligible for reappointment on spouse. See, here SR has to be passed. Special resolution has to be passed in AGM, in meeting, general meeting. Okay. And he can be appointed for 2 consecutive terms. That means first 5 years, after that 5 years.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
And after that, your 3-year cooling period, and after that 5 years, 5 years.
Oh, okay.
So first can be appointed for 5 years. Okay. And again, in special resolution, sir, you have to appoint for 5 years. Okay. Then for 3 years, you cannot appoint him. Okay, 3 years cooling period. Then again 5 years. Again SR 5 years, like that. It will go on. Okay. So that in between 3 years should be gap should be there.
Ma'am, in between 3 years, he can be a director, right? He cannot be independent director, but can he be a director?
Eligibility for reappointment after of 3 years of ceasing to be ID, if not associated in any manner during 3 years. Your answer is here.
Oh, any manner. Okay. Okay.
Any manner. He should not have a
Okay.
link. He should not have a contract. He should not have any link in the company. Then only he will be eligible after 3 years. Or else if you're having a link and director's post and everything, then you cannot be appointed as an ID. You can have a normal director, but you cannot be, after that you will not be able to enter ID itself.
Okay.
Got it? So that's a scenario.
Yes.
Got it? And held liable. For what is the liability of him means held liable act of omission and commission by the company occurring to his knowledge. As I told you, all the directors when something is occurring in their knowledge, then they be termed as this one. Okay, if that is not incurring with the knowledge, then they have to prove that. Okay, and with his consent and convenience were held act diligently. Okay, so he has to prove that I have acted up to the norms and points. Okay, got it?
Yeah, got
And
it.
retirement. See, retirement of directors by rotation is not applicable. One concept is the retirement in rotation. See, some directors will be retired in every 5 years, like that's what they'll be retiring. Okay, this much director is there, this much director has to be retired. That's the concept. Okay, so that we'll be discussing in 152. That all those retired by rotation is not applicable for ID. For ID is a fixed term, 5 years, extension by SR, 5 years, after 3 years, no connection, then 5 years like that for it go. That is a tender period. Okay, it's not like normal directors. They will be counted for rotation, retired by rotation. Got it?
Okay.
And
Ma'am, after 5 years of his term, he cannot appoint again, ma'am.
first 5 years, then special resolution, then next 5 years, then 3 years cooling period. Okay, this is the case. First 5 years, one person is appointed as ID. He can hold office until 5 years. Okay, and after that, if he become after that, one special resolution is needed from a general meeting. After that, he can be reappointed for 5 years. Okay, only 2 consecutive terms he can be. After that, in between 3 years cooling period should be there. No associate in any marriage, not associate in any marriage during the 3 years. Got it. Then only he will be eligible for here to associate. When you calculate over here itself, you should have known 2 years and current year like that. So, okay, then what will happen? Then he can again be appointed 5 years and term of 5 years. Got it? It goes on like that.
Yes.
Understood?
Okay. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
And section 150 manner and selection of maintenance of database ID. See, this ID won't be available in all ways. If you're not able to available, you can go into MCSI. there all IDs will get registered, because ID means unrelated person. No, the company cannot go and search unrelated person. So for that purpose, they are maintaining a database regarding ID. Okay, so contain names, address, qualification of person who are eligible and willing to act as an ID, and maintained by any body, institution, or association notified by CG, put on their website for use by the company appointing such directors. Now MCA is doing, and any other bodies, if they want to do that, they can do that. Responsibility of exercising due diligence before selecting lies with the company. Okay, so the company has to check whether that ID is qualified or not. Okay, and appointment be approved by the company in general meeting as per 152. And explanatory statement annexed to notice indicate justification for choose. Got it. So they can be appointed only in general meeting, IDs. Okay, got it. So it is not like an additional director, alternative director, and nominee director. It is not like that. So okay, that is and also casual vacancy won't be there in the case of IDs. Got it? IDs are independent, that they cannot be filled by directors. They can be filled only by the shareholders in the general meeting. Got it?
Yeah.
And all these are not applicable to Section 8. Okay, that's the matter. Final thoughts. Okay, all these are not applicable to Section 8. Okay. Got it? So that minimum maximum, that is also not applicable, provided they are not, they have to be regular in filing, and also Section 8 exempted from this provision on 149 and 150 also. Only Section 8, not the government companies.
Okay.
Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I'll just go through the ID. In ID, we having more number of questions in ID only. Got it. 150.
Okay.
Manner and appointment of IDs, that is given again in this previous only again here given. And compiled required by the person eligible and willing to appoint as an ID. Okay, every individual who has been appointed as an ID in a company on the date of commencement of Companies Act, and within 7 months from that commencement, or which intend to appoint as an ID in the company, shall before after online be instituted includes name in the database. They have to include their name in their database. Okay, and from time to time they have to update if there are any changes in that. They have to update till he continues to hold the office of ID of any company, provided individual, including individual DIN, may voluntarily apply to the institution inclusion of the name in database. How to add it? If you're a director, you want to be a director, means then you have to go compile all the requirements and you have to get registered by yourself, and you have to amend then in there. And also if you are appointed somewhere, that are details also you should amend in that. Okay, every individual whose name has been so included in the data bank shall be file an application for renewal. It will be for 5 years renewal. Once in 5 years you have to get renewed. Okay, and item, they has to pay fees also. Okay, for that, for listing that data bank. Okay, every independent director shall submit a declaration that each time the declaration required. So if if you should be eligible to act as ID, then only you can register. But you have to check it, and you have to file a declaration that I am eligible. I don't have like that sort. Every individual who's so included in the database shall pass an online proficiency self-assessment test conducted by the institute within the period of 1 year from the date of its inclusion bank failing, which may stand removed. See, if you are listed in that, you have to go for that proficiency self-assessment test they be conducting. Okay, you have to go with that. Okay, and if who not appear for the test means online, the test means the director KMP for a period not less than 10 years. If you are being director or KMP, key managerial person, we are having separate chapter for KMP. So if you are director or KMP for 10 years, on the date of name included, no one or more following. So if you're having 10 years experience, then one or more companies listed, unlisted body corporate in stock exchange. Okay, so listed companies, if you are being a director or KMP of any listed companies. Unlisted companies whose paid up capital is 10 crores or more, then you need not go for this test. Okay, got it? Just go through in this, and So if you're having 2 or more body corporate all together the same time, counted only once. Okay, see, I'm appointed over there 2 times here, 2 times means you have to take it only once. You cannot repeat it. Okay, that's a case. This is a rule. Just go through with the rule. It's a simple rule only. Just go through with this rule.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
and then appointment qualification of directors. This is what we just finished with this 10 minutes. Okay, so we just finished with this. Okay, you guys are free or you want me to end? Hello, both of you.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah. Yes, ma'am. Continue.
Continue. So we finished with the small shareholders. Okay, and
Okay.
additional director, alternative director, nominal director, and casual vacancy. We discussed this before itself. The question itself. Okay, we'll be having a quick look on this. Okay, small shareholder director. So SSD, we call short in SSD. All where we used to say SSD. See, listed company may have one, may have, not compulsory. You have to mark the word. So may have one director elected by SSH. Small shareholders, SSH. Small shareholders. Who are SSH? That is the definition over here. Who are listed company and small shareholders or nominal value of share not than 20,000 rupees. Their value of shares is not less than 20,000 rupees. We call them as a small shareholder shareholders. Okay, SSH. For SSH, they can appoint one SSD. Okay, one listed company can be appointed with SSD. Unlisted cannot do that. Okay, unlisted, private, nobody is allowed. Only listed company. But and also it is not compulsory. It is optional one. Okay, so when it can be appointed means upon notice of not less than 1,000 SSH or 1/10 of total number of SSH, whichever is lower. So 1,000 numbers of SSH should be there, or okay, 1/10 of total number of SSH. Okay, so for example, if you're having whichever is lower, so whichever we are having 1,000 only as a SSH, then 1/10 means how much? 100 numbers is enough. Okay, got it? 100 or 1,000, whichever is lower. So 100 is enough. Got it? So this 1/10 or 1,000, whichever is lower or may opt suo moto notice of intention give SSH at least 14 days before the meeting. So they are going to conduct a general meeting. Okay, so they have to issue a notice. Okay, so 14 days before the meeting, they have to issue a notice saying that we need to appoint. We have to apply. They have to sign a form, and all those SSH has to sign that form, and they have to apply. And suo moto means all together. All the shareholders are saying we need to apply. All the SSH are saying. Okay, so they have to sign that, and before the 14 days of meeting, they have to apply. We need a SSD. Okay, so appointment as per 152, however, SSG shall not retire. See, then one director will be appointed as per section 152. You say no, like all qualification with DIN is not an ID, so you do not have a qualification of ID and everything. But he can be appointed as like normal director. Got it? With the DIN and everything. DIN is a must. Okay, so if that person is having a DIN, then that person can be appointed as a SSD. Okay, and not retired by rotation. That SSD will not be retired by rotation. As like ID also, his term period is fixed. Term period is maximum 3 years, and he cannot be reappointed and not eligible for appointment if disqualified under section 164. 164 we have seen the disqualification, right? To be a director, you should have all those qualifications. Okay, so then you should be a qualified director. And person can be SSD in 2 companies. If I'm having an SSD position, I can be in 2 companies as SSD, not more than that. Okay, and vacate office if incurs any disqualification or ceases to be ID, section 167 applies. Okay, so if he is not coming under that qualification, then he has to vacate the office. He or she has to vacate the office.
Okay.
Got it?
Yes.
Just a point. Some other questions is there in that one. Just go with it. Okay. And we just tomorrow when you're starting, we just discuss this also. Then we'll start. Okay. So additional director, as I told you, Article of company may give power to the board of directors to appoint any person as additional director at any time. Person who fails to get appointed as a director in general meeting cannot be appointed. So, for example, if you want to, as I told you, if directors are there, BOD is there, BOD want one more person additionally because of the work burden and everything. So the AOE has to permit. First point is AOE has to permit. Okay, so I just want to get appointed as a that board of directors can get one additional director appointed at any time. Like that's what AOE has to allow. If AOE allows, the board of director can appoint one person as a director and he'll be holding office until next AGM. And the person who is appointed as an additional director should not be director that is rejected in general meeting. Got it? Got it.
Yes.
Say previously in general meeting, some person will be not selected for the this one. No, that person you cannot come and fit in here. Okay, so he can hold office until next AGM. Okay, and that is additional director. Alternative director is board if so authorized by the article. Then everything is you need authorization in the article. Without authorization, you cannot go. All the board appointments. Okay, alternative director is also appointed by the board only or resolution passed in GM. But if you are not having any authorization to appoint alternative director, then you have to go with the meeting, general meeting, and you ask for the members, just amend that. We need to appoint alternative director like that. Okay, director in the place of original director during his absence for a period not less than 3 months from India. Okay, so if I'm not there in India for 3 months, so board of directors will be appointing some person in my place. Okay, the minimum I should not be in India for 3 months. Okay, because every 3 months only board of the meeting is conducted. So minimum 3 months I should not be there. Okay, if I'm not there in that place, who be there? My alternative director will be there. That will be appointed by the board. Okay, person holding alternative director for any other director or holding directorship in the same company cannot be considered for appointment. Got it. So person holding alternative director in any see, one person can be alternative director for one director only. Okay, two directors there, two directors not in place. So I am an alternative director for two directors. That is not possible. So here, person holding alternative director for any other director or holding directorship with the same company cannot be considered as appointed. Okay, only one different person has to be appointed. Director, the same company cannot be act as the alternative director for another director, and also one director cannot be appointed for two directors as an alternative director. Got it? No person shall be appointed as an alternative director for an ID unless he is qualified appointed as an ID. If you are appointing alternative director for ID and that alternative director also should qualify as an ID, then only you can appoint. And not holding office for a period longer than original director. See, what is the period term of, for example, one ID is there, his term is 5 years. He has been appointed for 4 years. Okay, so he is going out of country. 4 years got over, remaining only 1 year is there. So they can appoint alternative director for that 1 year only. Okay, he cannot extend after that year. Understood? Understood? Both of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
And shall vacate office when original director return to India. If I'm returning, original director returning, then you cannot sit in the chair. You have to vacate. Okay, and automatic reappointment of retained director in default of another appointment shall apply to original, not to the alternative. See, automatic reappointed means, see, for example, some directors will be reappointed automatically in every AGM. Okay, apart from retaining our directors, all other directors will be automatically appointed. That automatic appointment will not be applicable when one alternative director is sitting in the original director's place. Got it? These are the alternative director one. Nominee director. Nominee director means, as I told, some other institutions, financial institution, any other person, they have invested in everything, or FFI is there, FIA is there, financial foreign institution investors are there, they are investing in this company. So they want to make one place for their representation, means that is nominee director. Okay, and law anytime in the force or any agreement or CGR with withdraw shareholders in government companies. Okay, so nominate an institution by any institution, that is like, okay, and casual vacancy in case of public company, if only in case of public company casual vacancy arises. Got it? Private company, no point of casual vacancy and everything. Okay, in case of public company, if an office of directors appointed in general meeting, vacate the office before his term is expired, resulting in casual vacancy. Okay, subject to articles, fill the board by director, and also to fill a casual vacancy, AOA should give approval to the board. You can fill the casual vacancy. They have to give approval to board. Without approval, board cannot appoint. Shall be subsequently approved the members in the immediate next general meeting. Or else if filed, see if they have not approved, you have filled it, but that has to be approved after next immediate AGM. You have to get approved. Okay. Any person so
Okay.
appoint shall hold until that up to which